Good morning everyone. Today we're doing VW Golf. The problem of this one is car not drive and sometime drive, but when the ignition like turn on and straight away is not driving. Need to switch it off, switch it on, and then you need to put in a drive, and then it's going to be drive. And the customer is complaining about that fault, so he bring the car to us, and that code is coming. The main code is P177F, hydraulic pump motor insufficient voltage. That's the common problem of this car. Reason of this, the friction restriction causes of insufficient pressure buildup and the shift fork C unrequest movement. So this is the thing, the reason of that, the hydraulic pump motor insufficient voltage, these two code is coming on there. So what we have to do, we have to take it out the Mechatronic unit and need to refurbish, and then we have to install back. The problem is in the Mechatronic unit. So if you have the problem is like that, you have to contact with me. My name is Terry and we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. And you can contact anytime, book with me, and we will do ready in same days, and you can get it back. And you have any problem like this, or you have pump layer protection code, any type of VW problem like related to the gearbox, you can contact me. You can see my other videos and we can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my video. You can call me on my number is 07402536 382. Thanks.